Hey guys, what's up? We're back and we are doing a cooking video. I don't even know if I'm gonna be cooking. So what I'm thinking is we need to go for some tea vibes because it was hella rainy outside. It just stopped right now. Ooh. Okay, so I do this drink called London Fog that's also at Starbucks. I got it from Starbucks. I'm gonna do that for you. Except for it's kind of a cold drink because I only like my London Fogs cold. Like, what are you? Get down to business. Now what you're gonna need is 2 black tea packets, preferably Earl Grey or like a black tea that has lavender in it because that kind of adds to the London Fog flavor. Woo! Next you're gonna need a glass. I put some of my glasses in the fridge so it comes out kind of cold if I want a cold drink. Also, this reminds me of that one meme where he's like, putting Pepsi in a Coca-Cola glass. I don't give a damn. Roll that one, please.
Pepsi bottle, a Coca-Cola glass. I don't give a damn.
Next, it's a good idea to have a frother. Wow, that didn't turn on at first. Almost died. Now you're gonna need your milk. I only have coconut milk right now. Usually I would use almond or soy. Never tried it with coconut milk. And then you don't need this. Don't need it, but adds a little extra flavor. Vanilla extract. And you're gonna need some ice. No, silly. Some ice. Okay, let's move along this way, okay? Next, you're gonna want a cup. Do not judge that one, please. Stop judging it. Let's go for some Kiki's delivery service vibes. So now we're gonna teach you how to use the kettle, okay? Turn that puppy on. Ooh, direct hit. Oh, don't do what I just did. Alright, fam, turn that puppy on. I don't have a preference. Ooh, steamy. Now whilst that is going, I'm gonna put these bags in and then I'll usually just tie them to keep them in place when I put the water in. Voila. I don't really measure the vanilla extract, I kind of just put in a little bit. Ooh, also, and then we're gonna add the coconut milk. She's angry. Just as much as you think would be enough. It was probably too much. Froth that puppy. Honestly, it just adds flavor, the froth, in my opinion. It just tastes better. I think that is good enough. Put the water in the cup. And then we're just gonna let that steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. So now that it's steeped, we're going to put this into that. Is it gross how to like squeeze them to take out some of the excess? And then you're gonna stir it around. Guys, I almost forgot the ice. How crazy would that have been? Now a tip is to use the leftover tea and put them in the ice tray. Once you wanna make another one, you can, you know, not have it be hella watery. That's okay. We're just gonna roll with the punches. You know, lesson learned. We're just gonna sip some. Next step, get a handy dandy straw, go to McDonald's and be like, hey, give me some of that straw. And they'll be like, why? And they'll be like, well, Kayla taught me how to make a delicious drink. I want a sip of that. That's some good stuff. Wow guys, I'm impressed. Probably one of the best ones I made. And maybe it was because you guys were here. You know, maybe we make a good team. No, thank you. Thank you for this experience. No, it really opened my eyes. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will TTYL.